Hello guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Well, it's been a while as I did not really find much time to sit down and film videos the past weeks, but now I'm back on track, hopefully. Last weekend we spent a lovely girls' day in Vienna doing a little spring shopping, so I have some very nice new pieces to share with you today. As you can see already, we have something from Fendi and we also have something from Chanel to unbox. But before I open up everything, let me share some footage that I got to catch here and there while browsing through the stores. Alright, let's start with the most spontaneous purchase, which takes me a little bit out of my comfort zone, I have to say. So, we have here something from Fendi, and it is the Fendi bucket hat. I mean, who would have thought that I would ever buy something like this? I did never expect that and I did not see that coming. I said it was very spontaneous, but I don't know, there was something about this hat, I just liked it and I thought, why not give it a try? As you might know, I usually tend to stick to more classic and muted pieces, but when I saw this, I thought it would be fun to get a statement piece for once. And both my essay and my friend encouraged me that it actually suits me very well, so here we are now, me being owner of a bucket hat. Right, let me show you how it looks on me, let me try it on. So, what do you think, guys? Does it look good or does it look weird on me? I don't know, I kind of like it. So it's definitely a trend piece. Let's see how long it will stay in style, but yeah, I think it's quite fun and it's quite cool for the summer, so I will definitely keep it for now. I also tried on the grey oblique model from Dior and a white one from Chanel, and I liked all three of them, which I was very surprised of. But I think that the Fendi one has the best fit for my head because it's not too big. And yeah, it's a perfect bucket hat as a starter, so to say, because this is the very first bucket hat I own. And we'll see, maybe I'll develop a love for them and get some more models in the future. Who knows? Alright, let's continue with Chanel. I've been looking for the perfect pair of Chanel sneakers for the longest time, and I've kept trying to find these white trainers from the Spring-Summer 2020 collection that look a little bit like the Nike Air Force. But I never managed to find them. I mean, these are still my all-time favorite Chanel sneaker design, and if I would ever come across them, I will definitely not hesitate to make them mine. But I actually found a very nice alternative, which I did not expect. Let me take out the box. When it comes to the shape, I wanted to have a quite classic style, something not too chunky, but I just generally asked my essay if they have any white sneakers without color details. And he came back with a pair that I have never seen before. So he said that this is one last pair that is left from the previous collection and it was exactly in my size. So They were probably waiting for me, right? Okay, enough waffling. Let's open up this box. So let me remove the camellia first. Wow. Which is actually now produced in paper and not in plastic anymore. I don't know if you've noticed. And then let's remove the ribbon. Open up the box. So we have here some, how do you call it, shoe bags? Dust bags. And then we have here the most beautiful white sneaker with a little black detail on the sole and a very lovely detail in the back. I don't know if you can see. I will ensure to include some close-up shots so that you can see all the small details that are so pretty. These are my very first Chanel shoes, but I'm so impressed already because let me tell you guys, they are so comfortable. They're super lightweight and they're incredibly soft because all the sides here are padded. I've actually not worn them out yet, but just from trying them on in the store, I feel like they're the most comfortable pair of sneakers that I own. Not comparable with the Dior B23s, for example, that I unfortunately still can't wear for a very long time because they always rip up my heels. I love that they are quite simple, they don't scream too much for attention, not having any big logo anywhere. There's just a small silky tag on the heel, which I really like, such a nice detail. And then we have the CC here on the tongue. And other than that, they are plain white calfskin with this lining detail around. I also tried on another white pair, which was more of a sock sneaker, which I also liked, but it was actually not what I was looking for. So I'm super happy having found this pair here and I can't wait to wear them. What I'm going to show you next, I actually already got a little bit earlier this year, so this is not a true unboxing because I wore it already. But let's do it for the aesthetic and also to appreciate this beautiful all black sparkly packaging that is left over from the holiday season. So we have another little box from Chanel, and inside of this black box we have a white box. And if you know Chanel, you might already be able to tell by the packaging that there is a fine jewelry piece inside. I actually do not own that much jewelry. I have some pieces from Celine, Chloe, Fendi, like these earrings here for example, and also Louis Vuitton, but this is all fashion jewelry, so it's just gold plated. So what I'm going to show you now is actually my very first fine jewelry piece. Let's have a look inside. It is a ring, and you all probably know this model. It is a Coco Crush in 18 karat yellow gold in the thin version. I think it is called the mini model. I also tried on the medium version, but I like the delicate look of the thinner one more. Plus, it is also more comfortable to wear because you almost do not notice it. I can wear it on 3 of my fingers, so I can wear it on my ring finger, on my middle finger. This is where it fits best. And I can also wear it on, how do you call it in English? Pointer finger? Not sure on this one. So I have many possibilities to stack this ring, for example, also with my Dior ring, like this. So it's very versatile. It's very small and dainty, so it's a perfect piece for every day. And yeah, I think it's so stunning. I really like it. It's so beautiful and I'm so happy with this purchase. This is very Chanel with the quilted details. Such a nice dainty piece, truly perfect. Okay, let me open up the last box for today. We'll continue with another purchase from Chanel. This is also a very timeless piece. Definitely a must-have for every Chanel lover. If you've watched my Chanel 19 bag unboxing, you might know that I own a light beige card holder matching my bag. But I did not own any black card holder matching my black classic flaps, so at this point you probably already know what is inside of this box. Let us open it up. So, surprise, surprise. We have here a little black classic card holder matching my black classic flap. This is the one in lambskin with gold hardware. It looks like a mini version of the flat bag. It's so cute. This one is a bit bigger than my 19 card holder, which only has 4 slots, so this one definitely fits a lot more. Usually I don't carry that much, like 4 to 5 cards. and that's basically it. So I don't need that much space, and this size is perfect for me for every day. And it also fits in pretty much every bag that I own, and of course also in my classic flap. And yeah, I think this is such a cute mini shrinked version of the bag with the little flap here. It's so pretty and I can't wait to use it. Oh, actually I have one more thing to show you, which is a little gift that I received a while ago, and this is something I've been looking for quite a while, so I'm super happy that I finally got it. And you can tell by the box it is orange, so it is something from Hermes, and maybe you can also tell by the detail here it is something for my Apple Watch. So I love wearing my Apple Watch, but I did not find the perfect strap for it yet. I have one silicone one that I only wear in the gym, and this steel one here. I like the look of this one, but it annoys me a bit that the brushed steel does not really match the shiny finish of my watch. And I have to say that it's also not the most comfortable to wear. So I was looking for a leather strap in a neutral color that matches all my outfits, but I never found one, although it was so obvious where to get a good strap from. I mean, when we're talking about high quality leather goods, who do we think of? Of course, Hermes. Yeah, as Hermes has their own Apple Watch design, there are obviously also straps available. I don't know why I did not think of this earlier. Anyways, let me open up this box and show you which color I got. Wow, this is a very beautiful packaging. So we have here like a suede dust bag with the Apple Watch and Hermes branding. And then, well, let me open this up. We have here one piece and the second one. So I decided to go for the white version. So we have here the single tool strap in swift leather in the color blanc with shiny silver hardware that perfectly matches my watch, exactly what I was looking for. Let me put it on right away so I can show you how it looks on my wrist. Here we go. It fits perfectly. The leather is still a little bit stiff, but it will definitely get smoother when wearing it for a longer time. I think it's so pretty. It's very much an understatement, and it's such a beautiful color. On the inside you have the gold leather, and on the outside it is blanc. And yeah, I'm very happy with that. I think it looks very nice. Typical for Hermes, there are so many beautiful colors available. They have all the classics such as gold, Étoupe, or black with white stitching, but they also have some more popping colors like the iconic orange, and I've also seen some woven versions with a nice little H design available, so there's definitely something for everyone. So let's see how much I will enjoy wearing this one, but I'm pretty optimistic because it already feels super comfortable because it's very lightweight and the leather is quite soft already. And yeah, maybe I'll get some more versions to mix it up a bit. I definitely like the gold one, the black one with the white stitching, Étoupe. I mean, all the neutrals are perfect for me. So if I will get some, I will of course show you that. Guys, we're already at the end of this haul. I hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know how you like the pieces that I chose, and I will definitely try to find all the links to everything I showed you today. Not sure if I will find the sneakers, but everything else for sure. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel that I see you in my next video. Bye!